Good, fam. What y'all doing out there today in the markets? My move of the day in pre-market was LGVN. Before the markets even opened up. LGVN. It's going crazy right now. It's one of those low cap stocks. It kind of went up pre-market. I always got my pre-market gems before the day starts, before we get into our option trading strategies. Pre-market today went crazy. LGVN was the ticker symbol. Made a nice chunk of change off of that one there. It may still be going crazy. I haven't looked at it in a minute. Actually got in, got out, booked my profits before the shift even started. So that was a heck of a move for the day. Some of the other stocks I am looking at today, as far as for options, Nvidia is on the table. Microsoft, I think, is at a good spot right now. Tesla, SPY definitely. If you are into options trading and know a little bit about options, we are at certain levels on the charts, levels of support. Levels of resistance. Now we can possibly break through those levels or come back down. Now, if you know the game, you know you can do puts or calls. Which puts, you're making money on the way down. Calls, you're making money on the way up naturally. So check out Microsoft, Nvidia. This week has been a good week for Nvidia as far as calling plays in the chat. We actually hit them 2 times yesterday on the way up and then on the way back down. Once it hit that, 440 level. We got them coming back on the way down too. So be mindful. Remember, options is very volatile way to invest. Volatile way to trade, shall I say. But the money comes fast and it also goes fast if you don't know what you're doing. If you haven't enhanced your skills, if you know nothing about technical analysis, if you don't know nothing about support and resistance, Fibonacci levels, how to read certain oscillators, which are slower moving averages, things of that nature, you'll get ate up trying to trade options. I would advise everyone to probably start off with just investing. Start off with investing long term. Study the Forex markets. I also, last night was a good night too, on the U.S. versus the yen, the U.S. dollar versus the Japanese yen. Those two currencies were kind of crazy last night too. In between, what was it, between 7 and 9 last night. We were very, very profitable trading Forex last night also. But your technical analysis is going to kind of go through every market, whether it's crypto, whether it's the stock market, or whether it's Forex, which is those are the 3 that I'm heavily involved in and trade on the regular. But knowing your technical, and fundamentals are all also certain stocks, certain cryptocurrencies, and forex. You're going to have pops when that good news comes in, fundamentally. But if you're a trader and you don't know how to do technical analysis, you're going to get ate up in the markets. Definitely, you're going to get ate up in the markets. One of my major tools is the EMAs and your Fibonacci's, because your Fibonacci naturally is going to tell you certain level when the stock retraces. It's going to give you certain levels where you should, with good spots where you can get in and get out. Take profits when need be. You need to enter. I'm going to enter a trade. I'm going to exit a trade, because you can be very profitable up 200%, and then the stock goes the other way on you, and you end up losing it all. So I just wanted to give a few key pointers on what I'm looking at today. Nvidia, Microsoft, and SPY. Check out those 3 stocks for your options trades for today, and I get back on once we made this money. Holla at your boy.